As our week-long salute to the Wild Wild West continues, we're taking a look at a place where many Western movies and TV shows were filmed. It's Durango, Colorado. As a matter of fact, if you've seen Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid, then you'll appreciate why Durango's called the Hollywood of the West. It was gold that first lured so many to this breathtaking area. And once the Denver-Rio Grande Western Railroad reached Durango in 1881, the area boomed, and it's still thriving today. So if you have a hankering to immerse yourself in a Western town with lots of history, Durango is the place to go. And no trip to the area is complete without a ride on the steam-powered Durango-Silverton Railroad. In the old days, it hauled gold and silver. Today, it hauls tourists on a historic ride with majestic backdrops. And as you can imagine, there are plenty of places to grab a true down-home Western meal. One cowboy classic that we recreated so you can make it at home is a simple beer bread that's studded with cheese. It's just as good with a steaming bowl of chili as it is slathered with butter. To get the recipe for our cheesy beer bread, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Wild West kind of way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."